Narrating the actual word spoken by a person without any change is called direct speech. Ahmad said, I am busy now. Ahmad said, I am busy now. I am busy now. It is written under the inverted comma. It is direct speech. The narration has the two parts: reporting speech and reported speech. The reporting speech, Ahmad said, it is reporting speech. I am busy now, it is reported speech, which is written under the inverted comma. The first sentence, without the comma, without the inverted comma, it is reporting speech. He said. Said is a reporting speech. The word in the reporting speech is called reporting word. And the word in the reported speech is called reported word.